In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a filter icon in Figma. By the end, you'll know how to add a clean filter icon to your canvas, position and resize it with confidence, and quickly adjust its outline color to match your design. Start by signing in to your Figma account and opening the file or project where you want the filter icon to live. Once your canvas is visible in the editor, make sure you can see the right-hand properties panel. That's where we'll make most of our adjustments after inserting the icon. To add the icon, open Figma's Resources panel. The fastest way is to press Shift+I on your keyboard. A pop-up appears with a search bar at the top. Type the word filter, then give it a moment to load results. Browse through the available icons and choose the one that fits your style. Look for simple, legible shapes that will remain clear at small sizes. Click the icon you want, then click Insert in the bottom right corner of the pop-up. The icon is now placed on your canvas. With the icon selected, you can move it by clicking and dragging, and you can resize it using the corner handles. If you want to keep its proportions while resizing, drag from a corner and hold Shift. Keep an eye on how it sits with nearby elements. Aligning it visually with text baselines or other icons can make your interface feel more polished. When the icon is selected, you'll see its options in the Properties panel on the right, which is helpful for fine-tuning. Next, let's update the outline color. With the icon still selected, find the Selection Colors section in the Properties panel. Click the color swatch shown there to open the color controls. In the pop-up that appears, switch to the Custom tab to access the full color picker. Choose your new icon color by entering a hex value, selecting from the spectrum, or adjusting the sliders. If the icon is made of multiple strokes, you may see more than one entry under selection colors. Changing one will affect all matching parts, which keeps things consistent. Take a moment to zoom out and review how the icon reads at different sizes. If it looks too light or heavy, try a slightly different color value to improve contrast against the background. When you're happy with the result, you're done. That's it. You've signed in, inserted a filter icon from Resources, positioned and resized it, and updated its outline color using Selection Colors and the Custom Color Picker. Save your file, and you're ready to use the icon across your design.